So in the last class, we have done the basic formulas about the compound formulas and as well as the gamma angle formulas, right? Any question from the last lecture?
No, sir.
All right. So I'm just assuming that you already knows about all of these formulas. All right. Now here he says that you have to write down the exact value of 60 degree. We obviously the calculators allow we have to find it directly. That would be 1/2. For cos 45, you have to find it. It is 1/5. Now it says that use a calculator to find the exact value of cos 105. Cos 60 and 45, there are basic values. Obviously, you must have to remember as well. Now, for 105, you have to use a calculator. Yes, please find this value. What you will get in the calculator in the fraction form.
Minus root 6 plus root 2 over 4.
Minus root 6 plus root 6 over
Minus root 6 plus root 2 over 4.
this.
Yeah.
Root 2 is positive and root 6 is negative. Okay. Now he says that show that the left side will not be equal to right side. Basically, here we are going to be talking about that if you have cos of A plus cos of B, that is not equal to you have to be A plus B. You can simply add them. So you have to prove it. It will be 1/2 plus 1 over
Root 5.
root 2. Sorry, it is root 2. That will be equal to root 2 minus root 6 divided by 4. And clearly, the left side and right side are not equal. In the next part, he says that express the sine 15 in terms of sine 45 and 30. So we can easily find you will get the 15, 45 minus 30, right?
Yes.
So we can write it as the sine 15 is equal to sine 45 minus 30. Look at here, we have to use the identity. The sine of A minus B, that will be equal to sine of A cos of B minus cos of A sine of B. So we'll get that sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30. We have to write the values in terms of 45 and 30. We have write it. Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmed, Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. He says that you have to find the sine 15 degree. Okay, we already find it, and you know that the sine 45 and 30, you already knows these values. Sine 45 is basically 1/root, 1/root 2, and cos 30 is, I forgot. Check the value of the cos 30. It is root 3/2, I think. Finally,
Root
check the
3 over
value. Root 3 divided by 2 minus cos 45, that is exactly same 1/root 2. Sine 30, it is 1/2. So if you have to simplify them, it is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1/2 root 2. Denominators are same. So we have to take the LCM, that is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, look at here, this is not equal to right side. So here we have to make the sides are equal as well. So for that purpose, I'm just going to be doing the rationalization. For rationalization, I'm just going to multiply and divide with root 2. Root 2 or 2 root 2. So that will be equal to root 3 multiplied by root 2, that is root 6. 3 times 2 is 6, minus root 2 divided by 2 root 2 square. Square and square root will be cancelled out. You will get the final answer root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. So here we have to take the help of the rationalization to get the required format. Yes, any question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Starting with the identity, sine of A plus B is identical to sine of A cos of V plus cos of A sine of V cos of A. The cos of A sine of V. So substituting B is equal to A, we have to prove this identity. We already done this identity in the last class. We already done the proof as well. So he says that show that the exact value of sine 120 degree. Okay, sine 120 degree. We have to utilize the double identity. I'm just going to be take this value 2A is equal to 120. So A is equal to 60 degrees. So we have to find the value sine of 2 into 60 means at A is 60 degree. That is equal to sine 2 times sine of A means sine of 60. Cos of A means cos of 60. The sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Cos 60 is 1 over 2. 2 is cancelled out. We will get the final answer root 3 divided by. So look at here, we have find this value sine 120 degree. Obviously, you can use a calculator, but when he says that you have to utilize the double identity, so you have to take the help of double identity and utilize the main angles like 45 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180. They are basic angles. You must have to be know the values of these. Okay, obviously in these papers the calculator is also is allowed, so you can use a calculator, but you must have to write the values in the fractional form. Okay, you have to be show these steps. If you will write sine 120 directly equal to this one, you will not get the marks. You have to be show this process. Yes, any question?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, how did you know sine 120 is double angle?
Basically, here it is going to be linked. We already linked the question with this. So it is once 20 degree. I just going to take it equally to A. So you will get the easily get the value of A.
Okay, sir.
Because here he is going to be saying that you have to show this value. I already know that if I just directly substitute the value of sine 120, you will get the answer. All right. So you have two options. You have to break it down into A plus B, or you have to break it down into the double angle. You have two options. Maybe I'm just going to break it down 60 plus 60. Maybe I can also break it down into 90 plus 30 as well. You have another option. I have to break it down into 90 plus 30, and then I'm just going to apply that identity sine of A cos of B cos of A sine of B. You will get again you will get the same answer.
Okay, sir.
All right. You can go by this way or you can this way. Because the previous part is the double angle, so that's why I just utilize the double angle. But if it is not required, it is any method, so you can go by this way as well. Okay, use an appropriate identity to sine theta plus alpha in terms of sine and cosine theta and alpha. Okay, just same formula. We have to write in this formula. This is A and this is B. So that will be equal to sine of A means sine theta, cos of B means cos alpha, plus cos of A means cos theta, sine of B means sine alpha. R is equal to sine theta. Okay, R is just multiplying outside, so when you have to open it, it will be multiplied inside the bracket as well. What is the thing that we need to show? We have R sine theta plus alpha. You know that the value of this portion is sine theta cos alpha plus cos theta sine alpha. Multiply r inside the bracket, it will be r sine theta cos alpha plus r cos theta sine alpha. And this is the thing that we have to prove. Question number 5, we have the equation. We have to solve the equation in the interval from minus pi to plus pi. It is 2 theta. Okay, we already done it in these type of question in the P1. So it is theta is equal to minus pi to 2 pi. So if we have to take the 2 theta, that will be equal to minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. So this is your range basically. Now you have to solve the trigonometric equation. How to solve the trigonometric equations you already done in your P1 and P2. What we have to do, we are just going to be let the sine of base angle is equal to 1 over 2. The base angle is equal to, it is sine here, on the side will be sine inverse. Yes, sine 1 over 2 will be equal to
30, sir.
In the radian, because the angle is given in radian.
1/6 pi.
1 over 6 pi means pi over 6. So we have to find all the values. So the rest of the values we have to find from minus pi to pi. Let me draw the graph. The graph is going to be look like this: minus pi to plus pi. Oh, 2 pi, 2 pi. To 0. Okay, we are going to be get the base angle, and I need to be find the rest of them. How I can find it? The sign is positive in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant. So this is the answer you will get in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, what is the answer? Yes. Base
Sir,
angle
pi
minus, yeah, pi minus pi over 6. That would be
5 pi over 6.
5 pi divided by 6. In the same way, I need to find some previous angles as well in the previous quadrants. So I'm going to get one angle. Second angle, I need to find the angle in the previous quadrant as well. So what is the period you will get from here to here?
2 pi.
So minus 2 pi plus pi over 6. That would be 6 times 2 is 12 minus 11 over pi. And minus 2 pi plus 5 pi over 6. That will be minus 7 pi over 6. So look at here, we are going to be get the 4 answers within the range. These are all the things that you already done in your P1 and P2. I just find the angles I'm just going to be find the base angle in the first quadrant. I need to be finding the previous quadrants. So for that purpose, I'm just going to subtracting, because I know that the period of the sine is 2 pi. So I'm just going to be subtracting 2 pi. So you will get the angle in the previous quadrant as well. So, but the angle is not base angle. The angle is basically 2 theta. The angle is 2 theta. So means you will get that the 2 theta is equal to 5 pi over 6, or the first angle is pi over 6. So theta is equal to pi over 12. In the same way, 2 theta is equal to 5 pi over 6, means theta is equal to 5 pi divided by 12. In the same way, next, 2 theta is equal to minus 11 pi over 6. So theta is equal to minus 11 pi over 12. And 2 theta is equal to minus 7 pi over 6. So theta is equal to minus 7 pi divided by 12. So these are my final answers. Yes, everyone, it is clear. This is not the new thing. I'm just going to be doing the P1 and P2. This is not the new one. You already done these things in the trigonometry. Now, in the same way, you have the cos 2 theta is equal to root 3 over 2. We are doing the same thing. First of all, I'm just going to be finding the base angle. The base angle is equal to root 3 over 2. Just find the value of the base angle. Cos inverse of root 3 over 2. That is equal to
1 pi over 6.
pi divided by 6. This is the answer in the first quadrant. And where the cos is positive? In which quadrant cos is positive?
Third quadrant.
Fantastic. All
No, fourth
trigonometric functions
quadrant.
positive.
Fourth, sorry.
Sine positive, tan positive, and cos positive. It is positive in the fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, how we can find the angle?
360 minus 2 pi minus base angle.
Yes, 2 pi minus base angle. So in the fourth quadrant, base angle will be equal to, base angle means this angle 2 theta will be equal to 2 pi minus pi over 6. That will be equal to 12 pi, 12 pi minus 1. It is 11 pi divided by 6. So again, we have to find the answer from 0 to 2 pi. So it is 2 theta. So 2 theta will be between 0 to 4 pi. So means I need to find the values in the next cycle as well. So for the next cycle, what I have to do?
Minus 2 pi base angle.
Means between 2 pi to 4 pi. If I need to be find the values, I'm just going to be adding 2 pi. So 2 pi plus pi over 6. That will be 13 pi over 6. And base angle is equal to 2 pi plus 11 pi over 6. That will be equal to 23 pi over 6. Now we will get the angles. These are the values for the 2 theta. So let me find the value. For the first value, we will get that the 2 theta is equal to pi over 6, means theta is equal to pi over 12. The second value, 2 theta is equal to, I'm taking these values, this one, this one, this one, and this one. 2 theta is equal to 11 pi over 6. So theta is equal to 11 pi over 12. In the same way, 2 theta is equal to 13 pi over 6. So theta is equal to 13 pi over 12. And the last one, the 2 theta is equal to 23 pi over 6. So theta is equal to 23 pi over 12. So these are the four answers you will get. This one, and this one. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, he says that we have to show that the left side will be equal to right side. The cos of a theta minus pi over 6 means a minus b. A minus b. We have the identity cos of a minus b would be equal to cos of a cos of b plus, which is minus, it will be plus sine of a sine of b. So 5 cos theta minus pi over 6, 5 as it is, cos of a, that is theta, cos of b, that is pi over 6, minus sine of a, that is theta, multiply by sine of b, that is pi over 6. The cos of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2 cos theta, minus sine pi over 2 is 1 over 2 sine theta. 5 is multiplying, it will be 5 root 3 over 2 cos theta minus 5 over 2 sine theta. So look at here, I just use the identity cos a minus b, that is equal to cos of a cos of b plus sine of a sine of b, and I'm just going to prove the right hand side. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, look at here. He says that show that the cos square x plus 2
Wait,
cos
sir, can you
2x.
scroll up? Sir, it's positive, not negative, right?
Oh yeah, it is positive. Positive. I write the positive sign. Okay, in the next part, show that cos square of x plus cos 2x is identical to 3 cos square of x minus 1. Now look at here. The thing that you have to prove on the right side, it is a single angle. And the problem is here you have a double angle. So your first priority is you have to convert your double angle into single angle. So what is the double angle identity we have done for the cos of 2a? Yes, we have the identity for the cos of 2a. We have three different identities we have done for cos of 2a. Look for the notes. Yes, tell me.
Sir, 1
I told you
minus
before the
2
next class you
sine
have to
square.
memorize them, and you did not even know that what is the identity.
So I
Yes.
just don't remember the
One is cos square a minus sine square a. What is the other one? 1 minus 2
2
sine
cos
square of
square
2
a,
sine square A.
minus 1.
2 cos square of a minus 1, right?
Yes.
So now we have to look for which is the suitable one here. Anyone? Which is the suitable one so you will get the right hand side? Anyone?
The second, the third one.
If you have to substitute the third one, 2 cos of a minus 1.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, substitute it.
So
Cos square
3
of x
cos
plus
square.
2 cos square of x minus 1 left hand side. So will become 3 cos square of x minus 1. We will get the side right equal to that side. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Uh, we did not run this portion. We did not run. We have to skip this one because this is our next topic. Okay. Okay, the next portion he says that you have to sketch the graph of y is equal to 10 to theta. So tan to theta is going to be graph is going to be look like the same, just the values are going to be where you have the asymptote line at 90 degree. Now it will become
45.
2 theta is equal to 180 degree, right? So theta is equal to 90 degree means the period will be 90 degree. The period will become 90 degree. So let me draw the graph. So at 0 it is 0. So normally we have the asymptote line at 90, right?
Yes.
Where
So
90 means pi over 2. So we have to again divide by 2. It will become pi over 4. So we'll get the next one is pi over 4. The half is pi over 2. Yes, the next value is pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, pi. Alright, I'm just breaking down, making a 90 degree angle. We know that the actual graph is the asymptote as pi over 2. The other asymptote is 3 pi over 2, right? I'm just going to multiply by 2. So we are going to be getting the asymptote at pi over 4 and 3 over 5 over 2 multiplied by 2. You will get the asymptote line here. And other asymptote line will be here. 3 pi plus pi over 2, it will be 5 pi over 4. Yes, we have to draw the graph.
sir, it said draw till 2 pi.
We will not get the 2 pi. Okay, we move on. Okay, 5 pi. 5 pi over 2. It is 3 pi over 2. It is 7 pi over 4. And then you have 2 pi. Alright. Normally we have to make a portion from 0, pi over 2 and pi, right? Basically, we are taking the values between them as well. Pi over 2 divided by 2 is pi over 4. Pi over 2 and pi over 4, the between value is 3 pi over 4. These one. This one and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have the asymptote line. So you will get the graph. Graph is look like this. The sketching of graph you already done in the previous, in the P2 and P1. This is not the topic of PhD.
Yes.
Yes, it is clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, use the difference of two squares to show that cos of 4x minus, it is a very important question. Cos of 4x minus sine of 4x is an integral to cos of 2x. Okay, look at here. If I'm going to take the left hand side, I can write it as cos square of x whole square minus sine square of x whole square. Here I'm just going to be using the algebra a square minus b square. That would be equal to a plus b into a minus b. Yes, Simon, it is clear?
Yes.
Yes, Ahmed, Aisha, is it clear for you as well?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. And have you remembered that this identity is equal to, we have done this identity, we just done it. Cos of 2a is equal to cos of square of a minus sine square of a. So cos square of a, x minus sine square of x will be equal to cos of 2x. So you will get the final answer, cos 2x. That is basically your right hand side. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, hence solve the equation cos 4 minus sine square 4 is equal to root 2 over 2. Okay, you already proved that this value is equal to the cos of 2x is equal to root 2 over 2. So it's basically a trigonometric equation that you need to be solved, and this angle will become 2x is equal to less than equal to minus pi and less than equal to pi. So we have to find the values between pi to minus pi to plus pi. So again we have to find the base angle. The base angle is equal to pi 2 over 2. So base angle is equal to cos inverse of root 2 divided by 2. Yes, that will be equal to
Pi over 4.
pi divided by 4. And cos is positive in the first quadrant, and in the this value is in the
Yes.
first quadrant. And cos is positive in the fourth quadrant as well. In the fourth quadrant, we will get the angle is 2 pi minus pi over 4. That will be equal to 7 pi over 4. Okay,
It's
we don't
greater
have
than
the
pi.
fourth quadrant, so we don't need to find in the fourth quadrant. Okay, we don't need it, right?
It's
Or, okay,
it will be also minus pi over
we have
4.
to find the answer in the. We know that the cos graph is always symmetric. The cos graph is always symmetric. You have a graph it look like this. If, for example, at this portion at pi over 4, you will get the value. So on the other side, exactly on the other side, it is minus pi over 4. If the one angle is pi over 4, the other angle is in the negative quadrant, it will be minus pi over 4. Why I'm just going using this one? Because we know that the cos graph is symmetric. It is only for the cos graph, not for the sine, not for the tan. So I'm going to get the other angle. So we know that the base angle is basically the 2x So 2x is equal to pi over 4 and 2x is equal to minus pi over 4. So it is x here. So x is equal to pi over 8 and here x is equal to minus pi over. Yes, everyone. Just clear?
Yes, sir.